Angelica Campos now, who's taking a look at this weather. We've got the marine layer and then some nice afternoons out there, Angelica.
Hi, Kim. The official daytime highs just came out, and it is pretty wild how big the differences are from one part of the county to the other. In fact, in Del Mar, we had a high of only 67 degrees today versus areas like Alpine where temperatures were close to 90 degrees, 88 degrees the official high today. So that just really kind of paints a picture of what's going on here. We have a coastal low that's keeping clouds in place, and you can see them in our skycam in Del Mar. Pretty cloudy at the moment. As we look at the headlines, we're going to keep those clouds at the coast, low visibility possible in the morning. Pretty warm for our mountains and deserts, and also for the East County. Otherwise, inland communities and coastal areas are going to stay very close to normal for this time of the year. So let's take a look at the numbers right now. You can see the wide variety of numbers all over the place. 60s in La Jolla, 85 in Ramona, 107 in Borrego Springs, 92 in Campo right now. Here's the marine layer futurecast, keeping those clouds into tomorrow morning, even some clouds for the deserts tomorrow. Expecting those the skies to clear rather into the late part of the morning. It took until around 1 o'clock in the afternoon for at least Oceanside to see sunshine today, so a very slow clearing process, and the clouds are back before sunset tomorrow. High pressure is in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but because of that coastal low, it's keeping clouds near the coast and preventing temperatures from getting too warm. When that ridge will start to shift to the west, we'll start to see an increase, most likely by the end of the week, better clearing and better mixing just before the marine layer gets stronger, and that'll be the result of another storm system to our north. Overnight lows will be in the mid-60s at the coast, inland 65 degrees, expecting mostly cloudy skies even for our inland community. So let's go day by day. 73 degrees tomorrow at the coast. Yes, fog will be possible, and low visibility even at times with 71 degrees on Thursday. That ridge of high pressure will begin shifting to the west, and we see the numbers go up, 74 to 75 Friday, Saturday. Then a storm system to our north will begin pushing across the Pacific Northwest. It'll bring temperatures back down to the 70s on Monday and even 80s on Tuesday. And that same system is also going to bring windy conditions starting Sunday for our mountains and deserts. The temperatures will cool back down to the 60s, but for tomorrow, we'll keep it around 84 degrees. So the difference from tomorrow to next Monday, almost 20 degrees for our mountains and the deserts, 110 for tomorrow, and then back down to the 90s for the beginning of next week. So we'll see some changes, but not until next week. For this week, looking pretty much at the same pattern for the next few days. Kim?
Thank you, Angelica.